On a day of manufacturing celebration here in the state line, educators at Northern Illinois University prepare for a manufacturing symposium next week. Joining me to talk about it is NIU's Dean of the College of Engineering, Dr. David Gruelle. Hi, Dr. Gruelle. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Great to see you, Connor, and I appreciate the time.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining me today. So I guess we'll start with the decision to host a manufacturing open house. What do you hope attendees will take away from the experience?
Well, I think there's a lot of different things you're going to take away from this, but they're going to be able to work with a number of people that we have engaged here in the College of Engineering, whether that's faculty or staff, and also the partnership that we have with the Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center, IMAC, which is part of the U.S. MEP program, the Manufacturing Extension Program. And so these programs allow us to leverage the resources that we have in industry, the resources we have in the college, as well as the resources that we have available to us at the MEP program. So they're going to come here and they're going to network, work together, and generate new ideas. Because the hope is that at the end of the day, that when they get done at attending this event, which is open to all the manufacturing people in the state and the region, is that they're going to be able to come in and make these connections and hopefully land up having a positive impact on the economy.
Yeah, I mean, we talk about that positive impact on the economy. I mean, we kind of saw it earlier in our show with the positive impact the reopening of the Stellantis plant has on our region. Can you elaborate on the significance of the manufacturing sector in this local economy?
Most certainly. That's a good question, Connor, because, you know, before I came back to academia, I spent 14 years in industry working for Emerson Electric. And we know for a fact that every time there is a new job created in the manufacturing sector, there's a multiplying factor. In fact, that multiplying factor is somewhere between 6 and 7. And what I mean by that is that every time a new manufacturing job comes into a place, comes into a region, comes into a city, there's 6 or 7 new support jobs that are created in addition to that job itself. So manufacturing has a very high multiplying effect compared to a lot of other jobs that are created in the region. So manufacturing is key to having a growing and thriving economy.
Now, it's by my understanding that there'll be some activities that attendees can expect.
Exactly. We're going to have a number of different things going on. We're going to be giving tours of the facility. We're going to have a panel discussion, one of which will include Dave Boulier from the IMAC, again, the Illinois Manufacturing Excellence Center. We're going to have some people from industry and giving insight as to where is industry today, in the 4.0, where is it going forward? What's happening with automation? What's happening with artificial intelligence and how that's having an impact on manufacturing and so on? And then after that, IMAC's been very gracious and they're going to be hosting a lunch. And then we'll also then have a number of different, contact points with students. We'll also even have some of our student groups here, some of our diversity groups, the Society of Women Engineers, the Society of Black Engineers, the Society of Hispanic Engineers. So a lot of opportunities for the industry partners to connect with not only our faculty and researchers, but also with our students.
And last question, because we do need to get to it. When and where will this symposium be?
So very good. So that's going to be next Wednesday, November 15th, and it starts at 9 a.m. Registration, and it runs to about 2:45 in the afternoon. So almost an all-day event starting in the morning with registration at 9.
Perfect. Well, Dr. Gruelle, thanks so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your Thursday, okay?
I really appreciate it, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.